You may not know this, but every Locable account gets a free profile. This is a restaurant in Monticello, Iowa that has been using Locable for free for a few months. And you'll notice that they've got a nice profile with a logo, an image, and some description. They've got some social links and they've got some upcoming events that they've been promoting and even some customer reviews. These reviews are from Google Business. What's really fantastic about this profile is that it actually helps you rank on Google. So for those of you with no website, this will be transformative. And those of you with a website, this is very helpful as well. I want to note that as they are promoting their events, automatically their Main Street and their chamber are featuring these events and activities on their own websites and their own calendar. We noticed something interesting, and that was that this page and their content was starting to get a lot of traffic, especially from Google. And so as we go back looking from September through today, as I'm looking at this, they've gotten 863 visitors and over 1,300 pieces of content have been viewed. I'm using Fathom Analytics to look at this. This is available if you're interested. Definitely recommend them. And so you can see which of this traffic is coming from Google, Bing, Facebook, some are direct, etc. If they were not using Locable, this content may exist on social media, but they would get zero search engine traffic. They would get zero cross promotion. They would get zero added benefits and the content would have a very short lifespan. So this is a great example of why inviting your friends to sign up for their free account and cross promoting to highlight each other is a really good idea with a lot of value.
When Brian and Main Street, Iowa and the Chamber were talking about this in some of the events, I was definitely down to try. He brought me the info sheet that just kind of basically told me how to do it. And I jumped on and just did it. It really only took me a little bit to figure most of the website out, but I'm also running a restaurant and I'm extremely busy and a staff of 40, multiple social media accounts. And so it's a lot going on. And this is very easy and fast for me to do. I do the bare minimum sometimes because that's about the time I have time for. But this is what bare minimum got me.